Hi there, my name is Vic Veer. I'm an ENT sleep surgeon that works in central London for the NHS, and today I'm going to tell you about a device called Sleepogise. Now this is going to be a very short video because personally I don't really know how this thing works. This is the control unit, and it actually comes with this sort of blanket thing that goes on top of your mattress and you sleep on top of it at night. And I'll show a little video now about that. So the first thing you need to do with your Sleepogise blanket is to place it underneath your bed sheets. For the purposes of this video demonstration, I'm just going to lie it on top so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Then you need to connect a wire directly to the blanket, and that in turn is connected to the control box, which is connected to a mains power socket. You need to remember to turn on the device before going to bed each night, and that's it. It's very easy to set up. So as I said before, I don't really know how this device works. I was given 3, I've opened one, I've given one to one of my patients, and she was a very severe insomniac. She was taking lots of medication to try and sleep at night, and after using this, she felt that she could come off all her medication. She's not completely cured, but she is able to go to sleep relatively quickly. She still does wake up from time to time at night, but she feels an awful lot better after using this device. Typically it says it takes about 3 months or months to 3 months for it to start working, and she's carrying on using it. It's been several months now. The other people who I've heard that have used this device say that it helps their sleep, improves their sleep quality. But I do have one free left over. So what I'd like to do is give that last one away to someone if they're interested in trying this thing out. If you sign up to my newsletter or you're a member of my newsletter already, I'll pick a random person out and I'll send this to you. In a few months' time, I'll show you all the results and hopefully we'll get something out of this. Thank you very much for listening again. Take care. Bye-bye.